Jane?
Yes, ma'am.
Go and call James for me.
Yes, ma'am.
James.
Very sharp.
I believe you. I believe you, James. There's no way you would have sustained the bruises that you have if you were not seeing them. My only shock is that he was invisible and I couldn't see him.
This shows how diabolic he is. If we must defeat him in this battle, we need to up our game.
It means that the witch doctor that is working for him is powerful. If he went to the bottom of the ocean to get that witch doctor, then I'll do the same. It's power. This is power. You can go. Go and take care of yourself. Relax and don't let anything bother you. I'll take you for it.
Okay. Thank you.
Tension on this table is cutthroat. Is everything okay with you two?
Yes, darling, everything is fine. Max, right?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Maxwell, are you fine?
Yeah.
You've been awfully quiet. I'm just asking.
Yes, bro. Just that I have a lot of things on my mind.
You want to share?
Personal issues.
Personal issues. Don't pine over personal issues for too long. Right? I understand that you're a man and you have matters to deal with, but your stomach would never understand.
I know outside is real, but sometimes man need to think.
Very well then, that's okay. I'm off to Mali today. Flight scheduled for 3:45 p.m. I'll be away for 2 weeks. Business trip.
You're traveling today and you're just telling me now?
Sweetie, I told you were just too busy with other stuff.
I'm done with the food. This was quite satisfying as always.
You're done eating already?
While you two mourned over your feelings, I was eating.
What do you mean by mourning over our feelings?
Irony, baby. Irony.
Nobody's gonna mess with me.
Before that, what's my consignment?
Sharon, every time you feel the urge to call my name, it's respect. I'm a titled man. I deserve respect. But ordinary being like yourself.
Clowns joke at everything and do not know when to draw the line. Return my goods that you stole, and I will spare your life and the lives of every person that you love. Refuse, and I will wash my hands in the blood of everyone that you call family.
I see that you do not have honorable men where you come from. And that is why your show of guts has become a show of shame. Sharon, you are going to leave my town. Leave now that you have life before I take you out. I am the Duke. I run this city. You just leave here. I do not have the time for cheap trouble. That is all.
Don't say I do not want you. Return my consignment. If Odoji, don't say that I do not want you. You are going to face me second.
This is my town, whether you like it or not. I am the mayor. Get the info, get the info, get the info, get the info, yeah. Nobody's gonna mess with me. I call the shot here. See, I run this town. If anybody try to mess with me, it's going down, down low. Now me, they run this town. Now my cabin, my gribo. On my request, say you go understand. I'm a town, hey. And nobody's gonna mess with me, else you will go down low. So get the info, hey. Get the info, hey. Get the info, hey. Get the info, eh? 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 Get. I'm God around here. Everyone bow to me. If you wanna sell smooth, then you will come to me. But if you wanna fight with me, then you're making a great mistake. Cause I'll be chasing and biting and shooting and kicking until you run away. Cause you know I'm a mafian and I don't take.
Yes. I need you to find out the weak point. What makes him crumble. Find out everything and anything that I will use to cut him down.
I'll do that.
She not fear nobody. She got the money and the power. She is the son of the
Now
sea.
you have told him, right?
And it would have been your word against mine. And who do you think he would believe? You or me?
Whatever that is making you think that way, please abort it from your mind because it's not going to work. You are my brother's wife and I respect you so much. Whatever that made you do so.
I need a child. Max, this 5 years I've been married to your brother and yet I don't have a child. The worst is he's not even bothered about it.
Meaning, he has faith. He has faith that someday you will give him a child. So why are you bothered?
Faith without work is dead. How do you think he's even going to impregnate me? Whereas all he does is travel from one country to another, chasing this business and deals. How? Look, Max, I'm just a trophy wife without celebration. Please, you need to help me, please.
By sleeping with my brother's wife. Do you know who you are? The day my brother took you to the altar was the day God got involved. He did your traditional marriage. That was the day the ancestors got involved. So asking me to sleep with you is not just offending God, also offending the ancestors. And you know what that means? My coconut will be so much made of Ubambwaka via cataclysm. I cannot do that. Yes.
Max, what is it? You've been quiet for a while now. What's going on? Okay, let me ask. Did any girl break your heart? Oh, I remember. You don't have a heart that can be broken. Okay, seriously, man. What is it?
Andrew, I'm cool. I'm fine.
Max, you are anything but cool. What is going on?
Honestly, I'm cool. I'm fine. Okay? Andrew, the weather is too hot. Can we go swimming?
Okay. Now you're talking. Should I do the usual? I mean, girls.
You need to ask. You know what to do, man.
Start the car.
Listen, what are you doing here? You don't have right to be here. Please leave.
Take a good look at me. Am I not sexy and beautiful enough?
You are beautiful, no doubt. But you're my brother's wife.
This body does not deserve to be stabbed by a man.
No doubt you're beautiful. But you're my brother's wife.
Wake up, sleepyhead. Did you sleep well?
Yes. But you know what we did last night was wrong.
Hey, Mas. Stop the self-guilt and let's enjoy the bliss that shrouded on us last night. I had the best time of my life since I got married to Clifford. I have never reached orgasm. I brought you breakfast because I know you must really be tired after the marathon last night.
All right, let me use the bathroom first. Okay. What are you staring at?
Really? Do you want me to show you what I'm staring at?
What is it?
Listen, I never said I wasn't gonna pay you. Listen, and I'm not blaming you. I know the goat was stolen on my watch. And it's not supposed to be so. Yes. Listen. Goodness. I am going to pay you your money. Well, I'm asking just for a little time. A little time. Your business, man. Come on, we've been in this thing for a long time. You know how the racket works. Come on. Mr. Kendricks, don't threaten me. You know I don't like threats. Don't threaten me. All because of money, man. Kendricks, I did not cut the phone! I did not cut the phone, you... Damn it. I was trying to talk to someone else and trying to tie loose ends. Do you understand me? Why are you acting like you're not in this business? I'm gonna call you back as soon as I'm done. Damn it. Clifford Oji! Clifford Oji, I'm going to deal with you. You were digging your grave. Till now, you guys have not been able to find Clifford Oji and my goods.
We are sorry.
Sorry? You know I hate the word sorry. You know the word sorry irritates me. Stop being pathetic. The city is too small for you not to find Clifford Oji. And wherever he's hiding, wherever he is marketing my goods.
Lady Eris, please take it easy. What he was trying to say is that we're doing everything possible to find that bastard. I promise you it won't take us long before we find him, please.
Nina, next time you tell me to take it easy, I will slash off your tongue, okay? And you listen to me and listen good. Time is not my friend right now because my foreign partners are on my neck, threatening me. And I have every right to do so. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
So you guys find Clifford Oji and do it fast. Get out! Out!
Hi, Max.
Alice. I'll be upstairs.
Okay.
Girlfriend, please next time you don't barge into my house like that. You have to knock.
But I did knock. Now you rushed him. Look at makeup everywhere. You do transfer of the makeup.
Oh my God. That guy is a machine. Oh my God. I have never been handled by any guy like that.
No, wait. Yeah, I know. That's good. But wait, do not forget why you're doing this.
I know. Alice, that guy took me to heaven and back. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Babe, no, wait, please. I know, that's cool, like I said. At least you both found chemistry, it's cool. But then, you're not doing it for fun. At least for the conception. Please.
I know, right? I'm not
Promise.
forgetting that. But
Babe.
he's such a sweet guy.
I saw your face, man.
Oh my God.
You both were, the way you were. Look at his face.
Alice, you're such a bad girl.
I saw you guys. You were carried away the way it was.
Oh my God.
Do you know how I feel when you look at me? Your powder and everything. I almost laughed, but I said no, I don't want to laugh.
Gosh. Why did you have to cut us?
Are you kidding me? Hey, you're
Don't
not
do
doing it
that
for
again.
fun. Calm down.
Don't do that again. Don't cut that. Oh my God.
Has she gone?
Yes. I see you're scared she cut us.
Are you not seeing the risk here? She might tell your husband or someone else. Then we're in trouble. We are too loose for all this. You caused it.
Relax, Max. You worry too much. She can't do anything. Well, I have this thing against her that will not only make her lose her marriage, but also lose her children. Besides, even if she decides to say anything, it's her word against mine. But me, I have this thing that will make her sink into the bottomless abyss. She wouldn't dare.
Even at that, we need to be careful. Except we want your husband to find out.
Shh. You worry too much.
You are evil from the pit of hell. I hate you.
Now, let's continue from where we stopped.
Come on.
Luna. So what is the meaning of this now, huh?
Clifford, Oji. You see, now your matter don't cast now. Well, where the consignment? Just bring her, may we come up for here now.
Or what? You see now, this is the problem that I have with your Madam Sharon. Not only is she incompetent, but she's also very stupid. I give a very simple instruction. Instead of adhering to it, she decides to send urchins. Look at you. Urchins after me in my own town.
Guy, may we like this man, I like him now.
You are going to go back to your boss, Madam Sharon, and take my message to her. Tell her, do what's simple. Leave the city of the Duke. For I am the Duke. This is my city. She just lives here. Take my message to her.
I want you to take the goods to the warehouse and inform the client.
Okay.
Also let Tolu know that I want to see and speak to him.
Good boss.
Yes. Do you know what? Let's go and keep him company. Let me trace home. Oh my God. Go, where you go? Your lips. You need to clean it.
Maxwell, I don't know what you're talking about. I told you that I'll be traveling, didn't I?
Yes, but you never told us when you were coming back.
Well, a hustler never sleeps. I'm back home now.
Alright, welcome home.
Thank you. Where is my wife?
And did someone handsome just ask of his wife?
Yes, and as expected, the beauty appears.
Welcome, honey. How was your trip? Hope it was a success.
Oh well, my trip was quite successful, but you two look a bit unsettled.
No. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Yes.
Yes, honey. Everything is fine. It's just me here missing you, thoughts of you dripping wet. Nothing much.
Dripping wet?
Yes, honey.
Okay. If you say everything is fine, then I could almost swear that something was a bit off, but...
No, darling, there's nothing up. I missed you. Your wife missed you.
You miss your husband.
Of course I missed you.
That is back. You gonna get it.
Welcome, honey.
I have missed you too, babe.
I missed you more.
How have you been?
Fine, honey.
You know what? Feel free to tell her everything that happened. Okay?
No problem, we'll tell her everything.
She needs to know the demon she's fighting and know how to follow him up. Okay?
No problem.
So when she asks you anything, tell her.
No problem, I'll tell her.
Good.
You mean the bullet somehow killed your second guy?
Mama, don't be lying. You shoot the guy, now the bullet bounce back, go kill my guy. Now you tell me somebody tell you may pack him up from this town.
You go now. Lady Sharon, what are we going to do now?
This is war. Wars are fought on many fronts. And fight is what we're going to do. Not just fight. We are going to fight to win. We'll fight to win as well. We'll fight to win.
Who's that? Who's that?
Why is Alice calling me by this time? It's Alice.
Please put the phone off, please.
Calling me by this time of the night, knowing he's already suspecting us?
See, I can't see myself, knowing fully well that you are in his hands instead of mine.
He is my husband.
But I'm the one playing the band the way
I ought to be with him.
What happens to my feelings? You put me up to this. Now you don't care how I feel. Say, listen. You have to leave him. Yes. You need to come with me. You will live with me forever, please. Please.
I can't. I can't leave my husband. Oh my gosh.
Drink! Drink the elixir of fortification. Drink and walk among gods. Okosime! Eko your blue Dikeh. Yes. You are now fortified. And nobody born of a woman can destroy you. You are now a god.
Great Ehoro. Thank you. Thank you. I still have one more problem, which I told you about.
You cannot kill that which is already dead, unless his seed blossoms from the earth.
Great Ehoro, please. I don't understand you. What do you mean you cannot kill that which is already dead?
Cliff Odoji has sold his soul to death. You cannot kill him, my daughter, unless a life blossoms out of him. That is the only way you can destroy him. Now listen carefully. You will not take baths for the next 3 days. On the 3rd day, you will bathe with the blood of a young calf. Then your fortification will be complete. Olwekodelu gbagbari Olwekodelu gbagbari Ogolumoje kotobulu Ogolumoje kotobulu Olumoje kotobulu. Hey!
Has been mentioned. My name has been mentioned. Carry on. I'll join you. Alright, sir.
Get the info. Introduction. They call me Clifford. I run this town alone and not with all these searches. I call the shots. This is my town, whether you like it or not. I am the mayor. Get the info. Yeah. Nobody's gonna mess.
Girl, I'm craving nsala soup and catfish, but I don't have the strength to prepare it.
No, stop. Are you for real? Babe, what's happening to you? Yeah, your body wants to eat everything. You that doesn't like to eat catfish is not yearning for it. Really? Just like 2 days ago when I saw you eating tapioca. That's quite unlike you.
I'm surprised as well.
Come, babe. Sure say never enter.
What has entered?
Are you kidding me? Don't tell me you've forgotten. Wait, when last did you see your period for this month?
Alice.
Mm-hmm.
What's today's date?
29. And when is your date?
Oh my God. I was meant to see it on the 6th. 6th? How did I forget?
Woo! Congratulations, darling. I told you.
Excuse you, you can't be too sure. But you know what? We are heading to the hospital right now, at least to satisfy your curiosity.
Hello. I am still standing on my words. Congratulations to you. I need a bottle of wine. Trust me. Let me get my bag.
Congratulations to what exactly?
I am 100% sure. Darling, let's go.
Oh my God.
Where's my bag? The latest mommy in town.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I'm so excited.
Wow, I feel like screaming like, what? Sorry, hold it.
Okay, yo.
Wow. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I'm shaking.
I'm going to be a mother.
Yeah, baby. Hold on. No, just hold on. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I told you, girl.
Thank you
Oh
so
my
much.
God. Are you set?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, pop it, girl.
Are you set? No. Okay. Louder, baby. I'm so excited. Be careful.
The latest mom to me. Oh my God. Girl, thank you so much. Thank you. We need to cheers to this.
Wait. A toast to a beautiful 9 month sexy baby in town.
Okay, my darling is there. My darling. My heartbeat. Odo womb. The man after my heart. My husband. The finest of them all.
What is this
Honey.
Wow,
Okay, I'll tell you. Guess what, honey?
what is going on?
Your wife is pregnant.
What?
Yes, darling.
Say that again.
You are going to be a father, and I become a mother. Darling, I know you cannot believe this,
I am in shock.
I know. Oh my God.
But listen, I promise to take good care of you. I'll make all that you would need available. Okay?
Yes, darling. Thank you so much. Oh my God. This is so huge.
You'll make...
Thank you so much, darling.
Congratulations, man. You're going to be an uncle.
Yeah. I'm happy for both of you.
Whoa. Honey, this is huge. It calls for a huge celebration.
It calls for a very big celebration.
Yes, and I trust you.
This is going to be loud. Huh? Max, get me Jonah.
I trust my husband. This is going to be big.
This is going to be loud.
I know. My adorable soon-to-be father. Oh my gosh. I need to sit. I don't need to sweat. Please, you know.
Here.
Yes.
Oji, you failed to keep the instruction from the great Sankara.
I've never failed to keep the instruction of the great Sankara. I've never failed to use the oil on myself before making love to my wife. Because it is a very simple instruction to follow.
If this be, how come your wife is pregnant?
I don't know.
Oji, the child is yours. You failed in one occasion, and that has made you visible.
Great Sankara, I strongly believe that there is a mix-up somewhere. I have always used the holy oil on myself before having sex with my wife because I know all that is at stake. My wealth, my life, my power, my empire. I cannot, never will I joke with something like this.
Now, watch.
I'm pressed, come on.
Oh my gosh, come on.
Honey,
my body's on fire.
I know your body's on fire. You know what? I can't do this right now.
You can't leave me like this. No.
You know what?
Honey, please. Don't do this, please, honey.
You know what? Please, let me.
No.
I'm really pressed. Well, let me just.
Oji, remember what I told you, that you shall never father a child. For any day that happens, you shall become visible, and death will emanate. For as long as you have no seed from your groins, no man, no human, no mortal shall harm you, because no one can harm that which is already dead.
Great Sankara, you know that Clifford Oji has been a loyal servant. This must have been an oversight. Please, I beg for a remedy to this situation. Is there something that you want me to do? Anything at all, I am willing to do it, just to save my life and all that I represent.
I shall journey to the land of the dead to see the mother who is already dead or lives. Whatever she says, I shall relate to you.
Yes, my husband is so happy. Of course, after 5 years, what do you expect? The Lord, I'm so happy. Yes. God is so good. I'll call you back. And what are you doing here?
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
I want to give my child to your husband. Why?
No, Max. Don't do that.
What do you want me to do? You want me to fold my hands? What, you give my child to another man? Is that what you want? Mbano, it won't happen.
This child is not yours. This child belongs to Clifford. It's Clifford's child and not yours.
Have you forgotten that you told me that your husband is infertile? That's why you came for me. After using me to achieve your selfish desire. You want me to allow you give my child to another man. It won't happen.
Now listen to me, Max. If your plan is to have this child, it can never ever happen. This child belongs to Clifford. You have no claim on this child. And leave my matrimonial room right now. Leave!
You're asking me, Max, with a big well, to leave your room? After all we shared together, how could you forget everything so soon? You told me I am the first man that has ever made you reach your orgasm. Now you feel I'm no longer needed. You want to push me away and also give my child to another man. That will never, ever happen.
No, leave me alone. I've got better things to do.
Rubbish. You are not giving my child to any man.
It's not your child.
After seducing me, making me Max with big well sleep with you, you want to give my child to my brother. If you're sure, if you knew he's better, why then did you come for me? You take me for a fool or what?
Max, I have never taken you to be a fool.
Then what?
But this child right here belongs to your brother.
You lie!
Not you!
You lie!
You need to believe me, Max.
Just mine!
Honey, it's not what you think. Honey, you need to believe me. It's not what you think, honey. It's not what you think. Oh my God.
What do you think that I think? How long? How long has this been going on?
Brother?
Maxwell.
Brother?
How long have you been sleeping with my wife?
Manipulation. Devil. Devil. Brother, devil. Money.
It's the devil?
Yes. Manipulation.
I agree that it's the devil.
Money.
Because you're the devil's incarnate. You have got to be the most ungrateful piece of shit I have seen my whole life. I love you. With all my heart, I pull you in. I have given you the best of me.
You gave me, no doubt.
For everything that I have done for you,
Please.
you pay me back by sleeping with my wife. Maxwell, today I am going to kill you and put you in a box.
Max, you need to go, Max. Max, you need to go. I know my husband.
I am not living here. You are living here. You are carrying my child.
He can't kill me. I'm carrying. Oh my gosh!
Stop him! Stop him!
Get this at home, bring it back here. The Duke, what did he do? Ask me that question one more time and I'll take your life in place of his. Idiot! Get that boy for me. Bring him here. I am going to look straight into his eyes while I skin him alive. ọ na-ala nwunye m. Ọ na-ala nwunye m. Ọ lagburu onwe ya. Wakana? Fetch my wife. Tie her up and put her in the warehouse. Yes, did you come back here, Ogana? If for any reason she escapes, I am going to take your life in place of ours.
Max, what is it? Why are you on bandage? What happened?
Hope nobody followed you here. I mean, hope you did not tell anyone you're coming here.
No, I didn't even tell Chris. He's back in my house. What is it? What's going on?
I will explain everything to you later, okay? Let's go inside first, please. Follow me.
The Duke, we're at the warehouse now. Yes, boss.
Maxwell, you mean your brother wants you dead for sleeping with his wife and also getting her pregnant? Hey!
Max. Guy, you fuck up. Why now? Why? Huh? You know the kind of brother you have. You still went ahead to eat from his pot. Who does that?
Maxwell, this is very bad though. You know, your brother will not stop until he finds you. You know that. You know it.
I know. That's why I need both of you to help me. I need both of you to assist me in this awkward predicament. Please, help me.
Anyway, you are our guy. And the best help we can give you now is to be here for you. Yes, in this your moment of challenges. That is the only help we can render to you now, to be here for you.
Max, what do you want us to do right now?
I need to save Priscilla. She's carrying my child. My blood. Please.
Clifford Orji. God help me.
I'm the mayor. Get the info, get the info, get the info, get the info, yeah.
Why your brother's wife now?
Nobody's gonna mess with me.
Why your brother's wife?
Great Sankara, you told me that the child in my wife's womb is mine. But as it stands right now, my wife is having an affair with my brother. And I believe that the child belongs to him.
Orji,
Sankara,
the child is yours. The great mother of the Dead Sea has spoken. The child must not see the earth. You must kill her at the 7th month of the pregnancy.
why waste the 7th month with Sankara? She's already in my custody. I can kill her right away.
She must not die until the 7th month. As for your brother, he must not live as well.
Daughter of the withered land! Daughter of the withered land! Daughter of the withered land.
Great Ehuru, why did you summon me at this time?
The cloud has gathered and heavy with chaos.
Great Ehuru, can you please speak in plain language so that I can understand you?
You must find that which bears the seed of Orji tree. Only that holds the portal of life that will make the Orji visible.
Great Ehuru, please, can you explain more? I'm more confused.
Good morning, Lady S.
Sit down, Nina. I need you to help me solve a riddle. What is that which bears Orji seed?
Lady S, Orji tree does not bear fruit. I do not have an answer to the riddle.
Then I give you 3 days to find out the answer.
Yes, Lady S. Any update on the consignment?
things are getting more complicated. You know what baffles me is that he's spiritually powerful, or should I say diabolically powerful.
Though it may take time, but I assure you that we are going to find a loophole to hunt him down.
It's the dawn of the city, Rachel man, who's gonna challenge her? Are you okay? Hey.
Let the X out. Let it.
Jonah.
Yes, boss.
Tell Organa to go bring my wife back home. I know I promised to kill her. I know that I vowed to kill her. And kill her I will. For betraying me like she did. But first, she will suffer. But I will kill her. Any news on my brother?
Tolo is still hunting him. If there is anybody that will get him, Tolo will.
He can run, but he cannot hide. Tell Tolu to hunt him down.
All right, boss.
Hello, John. Now? Okay, we are on our way. Get up, let's go. Let's go. Get up, we don't have this time. Let's go.
Can I use myself?
I don't understand. Let's go! Don't waste the time!
Please take it easy.
Don't waste the time!
I've been here for days and I barely have time to ease myself. Let me just ease myself. I won't waste your time.
Alright, do it here.
Here?
Be fast about it!
Thank you.
Be fast!
of your child. I know what I did was wrong, but killing me will only make you a murderer. Please, just let me go.
You know that you have said it. There is something you said that makes a lot of sense. And that is the fact that what you have done is wrong. You cheated on me. Your husband. Who cheats on a man like me? I'm asking you, Priscilla, what exactly do you see in my younger brother that looks like a tout that you can't find in an honorable man like me? Huh? Makonambodo. This father Nazwa Fozo. I will catch you. Oh yes, she knew that I was going to catch you. But then you chose to try. I'm going to kill you. Oh yes, I will. But not today. I'll make you suffer. I'll make you suffer for betraying me like this. You'll suffer. And as for that tout, Maxwell, I'll kill him too.
I promise you, this is your child, it's not his child. I swear my life is your child.
Are you sure?
Yes, please forgive me. It's not, it's yours, please don't kill your baby, please.
Max, Alpha, where are you going dressed like this?
I am going to rescue my woman. If he has killed her, I will avenge her death.
You will avenge her as what? Maybe Spider-Man or maybe something. Look, Max, sorry, okay? It's been 3 weeks, right? 3 weeks since the incident happened. Listen, brother, don't you think if he wanted her dead, he would have done that a long time ago? And trust me, there is nothing you can do about it.
I know all this, but I've been waiting for me to recover small. You know, the gunshot was too close.
Okay.
But now I think I'm a bit strong. I can fight. The last drop of my blood.
You can fight? Okay.
Listen, I have so many options. If I cannot do it alone, I will report him to police. And also go to the village, report him to our kindred.
Maxwell, why have you become so stupid? Eh? The Maxwell I know would detect danger long before it happened. Maxwell, how did you become so weak to your brother's wife? Your brother's wife, Maxwell. You didn't even imagine the danger in what you are walking into.
The mistake has been made already. Yes. I know. I made a mistake. It's right time to correct the mistake. What she's carrying is my child. And I will fight with the last drop of my blood. If that woman dies, my child will go. So I will fight with the last drop of my blood.
Okay, let me ask you a question. How are you going to go about it? I mean, how would you get into the building? Because the brother that you have will kill you on sight. How?
The man in question, Oji, is my brother.
Okay.
I know everything about him. I know him in and out. I know how to take him. But at this point, I need both of you to assist me.
Maxwell, see, I am not an avenger. I am not an avenger. My life is still very important to me.
I'll help you.
Andrew.
Leave assault. Allow him to help me, since you cannot help me.
Andrew, do you know what we are saying?
Yeah, I do. It's funny. My man. Easy, sorry, easy.
One love.
Look, I know Max would do the same thing if I was to be in his shoes. Just
I appreciate.
No wahala.
I appreciate.
I'm coming.
I appreciate.
Let me just change it, do something.
Get away, you! Get out! Call your friend. Call yourself my friend. You cannot help me. Come on, get out!
Maxwell, think well. Maxwell, think well. Think well.
Don't near me.
Think well. Think well.
Come on, come on.
Think.
Come on now, Max. Come on now. It's dark already. We've been here for hours. What's your plan?
See, listen. All I want you to do for me now is to help me, lift me up so I can climb the fence.
Yeah. Are you sure it's safe? What if they catch you?
I have the plan of this house on my palm. All you need to do is to lift me up. I can take care of every other thing.
Max, your idea is good. But you know it's already dark. What about his boys? They are probably on guard now.
Exactly. Exactly my point.
You're right.
Let's have everything, please.
You're right.
See, let's leave this place. Let's leave this place now.
You're right. You're making sense. That means I have to find another way. Yes.
So,
but I must save her.
Yes.
Can we go now?
Let's go.
Nina.
Yes, Lady X.
I gave you a task over the last couple of weeks. And yet, you've not given me a reply.
I'm sorry, Lady S. I've asked so many wise old people, and no one has been able to provide an answer to my question. All the people I asked kept saying the same thing.
What is the answer? What did they say?
They said orchid tree does not bear fruits.
James, does orchid tree bear fruits?
Lady Sharon, this part of what we are.
Sorry?
This part of what we are. Osisi Anamimbro.
Lady S, permission to speak.
Speak.
What if the widow is not referring to a tree, but something else per se?
What if the riddle is not referring to a tree, but something else? You heard her.
Yes, ma'am.
Think about what she said and give me an answer.
Let the X out. Let the X. Max, now that you have confirmed that she is alive and probably well taken care of because of the baby, I believe that you will stop risking your life and that of ours fighting a man that you know is 100 times better than you.
The battle line is drawn, especially now that I know she's alive. I will do everything humanly possible to save her.
Andrew, what is wrong with this guy? Eh? What is wrong with this guy? Is he sick in the head or what? Eh? See, Max, or whatever you call yourself. See, I will advise you to go and make money first. Yes, become successful. When you become successful, then you can come back and claim the paternity of the child. Eh? Stop all this bullshit. You want to save her, you want to save her, you want to save her. If you save her, then what? Eh? What will happen when you save her? Where do you plan to keep her and the baby when the baby is born?
Max, you know I got your back anytime. But there's a million points in what Chris has said. Priscilla is safer with him. That's the truth.
Andrew, leave us out. Another man will never father my child.
You know, my brother confronted me because of you. You must have done a number on him. Because I've never seen him like that. What happened? Was it you that seduced him? Or was it the other way around? I'd like to know. Because really I have been thinking about it. Don't worry, I haven't killed him yet. I will eventually, but he's still alive. How are you doing? Don't tell me you're fine. Because the plan is to make you suffer. Even more. I'll come check on you again. I have some rounds to make. Might go on a short business trip. You're still my wife, so it's only proper that I update you. And then I have a lady friend of mine from Ethiopia. She's come to see me. You know I don't like to stay without sex. Since you're in detention, I had to keep it going, you know. Well, I'll come see you again soon.
If anybody try to mess with me, it's going down, down low. Now me they run this town. Now my cabin, my crib,
Here's your food. Priscilla, get up and eat your food. Priscilla. Priscilla.
Give me the key. Get the key to the gate now. Be fast. Give me. Lie down here. Lie down. If you move, I'm going to shoot you.
Hey, stop there.
She's gone. She's gone.
Who is gone?
Madam, she's gone.
You mean you allowed her go?
She had the gun with her.
What?
You allowed her go?
She had the gun with her. She's gone. She's gone, sir.
Who's gone?
Madam is gone. She had the gun with her.
Hello, someone help me!
Where is she? I'm sorry, the Duke. She escaped. She escaped. I put you in charge. I put you in control to do something as little as keeping an eye on my wife. And she escaped. Do you know that I can kill you for this?
Yes, Duke, I'm sorry. I am messed up.
Yes, you have messed up. And it is going to cause consequences if you do not find her. Find her! Search everywhere. Get the boys to go out there and bring her back to me alive.
Yes, Duke.
Around this town, if anybody try to mess with me,
to movie. Okay, they have my life. What is just move?
Listen to me. The only thing that would make sense right now is if you tell me that you have found Priscilla.
Yes, boss. I just trapped her in the traffic right now. Trust me, soon I'll bring her home.
Find her. Find her. Like, find her. Get her, goddammit! Find her!
Yes, boss.
See around this town. If anybody try to mess with me, it's going down, down low. Now me they run this town. Now my cabin, my crib, how much you question, you go understand. I'm a town, hey. And nobody's gonna mess with me, else you will go down low. So get the info.
The Duke. You incompetent piece of shit! Stand in front of me. You call me your Duke, yet you fail me at every given chance! How dare you lose her? How hard can it be to keep your eye on Priscilla now? If that idiot Ogere had locked the door, would she have escaped? No!
I'm sorry, Duke.
I do my job. And I do your job.
I'm sorry, Duke. Please forgive Ogene. I'm sure she tricked him.
Excuses. It's one excuse or the other. Excuses. Tell Jonah and Ogene to go out and find her and bring her back to me. Failure to do so, I swear by the gods of this land that none of their family members will be spared. You hear me?
Okay, boss.
Take as much men as you need. Bring her here.
I promise we'll just do that.
For your own good.
Thank you.
Start your search at Alice's place. Come back here!
The Duke.
The next time you walk out while I am talking, I am going to put a bullet.
I'm sorry, boss.
On your knee. Start your search. You can start with searching Alice's house. Now that's our closest friend. If your head is working, now that's the first place you will think of. Find her and bring her back to me.
Okay, Duke.
Me they run this town. Now my cabin, my crib, how much you question, you go understand. I'm a town, hey. And nobody's gonna mess with me, else you will go down low. So
Clifford Orji stole something from me. And I'm going to deny him the pleasure of being a father.
Lady Sharon, she told me that Clifford Orji wants her dead. That's why she escaped from the house. I saw her on the road when his useless men were trying to capture her.
Your husband wants you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's strange. Kate.
Yes, dear, yes.
Take her to a room. Give her food. And let her be refreshed.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let the egg start. Let the egg start. Let the egg start. Let the